Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the fascinating world of science, but with a twist. We're exploring the architectural marvels that house some of the most groundbreaking research on our planet high-rise research facilities. These aren't your average labs. These are towering structures pushing the boundaries of engineering, all in the name of scientific advancement. Inside these buildings, brilliant minds are hard at work, unraveling the mysteries of the universe from the smallest particles to the vast expanse of space. They're searching for cures to diseases, exploring new frontiers in energy, and even trying to understand the very fabric of reality itself. So buckle up as we take you on a journey to some of the most impressive high-rise research labs around the globe. Get ready to have your mind blown wide open, because trust me, the future of science is looking pretty high-rise. First up, we're heading to Geneva, Switzerland, home to CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research. Now, you might be thinking, Switzerland, isn't that all about chocolate and watches? Well, yeah, they have those too, but they also have this incredible underground facility that's home to the Large Hadron Collider, the world's largest and most powerful particle accelerator. Imagine a 17-mile-long tunnel buried hundreds of feet underground, where scientists smash protons together at nearly the speed of light. That's the LHC, and it's helping us unlock the secrets of the universe, one particle collision at a time. They're investigating the fundamental building blocks of matter, searching for things like the Higgs boson, which gives particles their mass. They're also studying antimatter, which sounds like something straight out of Star Trek, and it kind of is, but it's real, and it's one of the biggest mysteries in physics. CERN is a shining example of what international collaboration can achieve. Scientists from all over the world come together here to push the boundaries of human knowledge. And the best part, they share their discoveries with the rest of us. Next, we're traveling to the Land of Enchantment, New Mexico, to visit Los Alamos National Laboratory. This place has a rich history, playing a pivotal role in the Manhattan Project during World War II, where they developed the first atomic bombs. But today, Los Alamos is focused on using science for good. They're working on things like developing new energy sources, combating climate change, and even preventing the spread of nuclear weapons. They're at the forefront of nuclear research, exploring things like fusion energy, which has the potential to provide clean, safe energy for the entire planet. They're also researching supercomputers and artificial intelligence, pushing the boundaries of computational power to solve some of the world's most complex problems. Los Alamos is a place where history and innovation collide, and their work continues to shape the world we live in. Prepare for liftoff. We're blasting off to Pasadena, California, to visit NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, or JPL for short. This is where dreams of space exploration become a reality. JPL is the mastermind behind some of the most iconic missions in history, like the Voyager spacecraft, which explored the outer planets and beyond, and the Curiosity rover, which is currently roaming around on Mars. Taking selfies and collecting data, they're developing cutting-edge technologies like ion propulsion, which uses beams of charged particles to propel spacecraft through the vast distances of space. And they're building the next generation of rovers and landers that will explore the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, searching for signs of life beyond Earth. JPL is a place where imagination knows no bounds, and their work inspires us to reach for the stars, literally. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that JPL is out there exploring the cosmos on our behalf and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Chapter 4. The Salk Institute, where architecture meets biology. Get ready to be amazed, not just by the science, but also by the architecture. We're heading to La Jolla, California, to visit the Salk Institute for Biological Studies. This place is a masterpiece of design, perched on a cliff overlooking the Pacific Ocean. The Salk Institute is renowned for its groundbreaking research in fields like cancer, aging, and neurodegenerative diseases. They're using cutting-edge technologies like CRISPR gene editing to develop new treatments and therapies that could revolutionize healthcare. But it's not just the science that's impressive, it's the building itself. Designed by the renowned architect Louis Kahn, the Salk Institute is a stunning example of how form can follow function. The open spaces, natural light, and breathtaking views create an environment that fosters collaboration and innovation. The Salk Institute is a testament to the power of human ingenuity, both in science and architecture. Chapter 5. The Max Planck Institute. A legacy of scientific discovery. Get ready for a whirlwind tour of Germany because we're about to visit the Max Planck Institute, or rather institutes. There are over 80 Max Planck Institutes scattered across Germany, each specializing in a different field of research, from astronomy to human evolution. These institutes have produced some of the most significant scientific discoveries in history. They've won more Nobel Prizes than any other research institution in the world, and they continue to push the boundaries of knowledge in fields like quantum physics, materials science, and neuroscience. One of their most notable achievements is the development of CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing technology, which has revolutionized biomedical research and has the potential to cure genetic diseases. The Max Planck Institutes are a testament to the power of basic research and the importance of investing in science for the benefit of humanity. Chapter 6R. The Francis Crick Institute, Unraveling the Secrets of Life. Let's hop across the pond to London, England, where we'll visit the Francis Crick Institute, a biomedical research powerhouse named after the co-discoverer of the structure of DNA. This place is a hub for innovation, bringing together over 1,500 scientists and staff from all over the world to tackle some of the biggest challenges in human health. They're working on everything from understanding how cancer develops to developing new vaccines for diseases like HIV and malaria. The Crick Institute is home to some of the most advanced imaging technologies in the world, allowing scientists to study cells and molecules in unprecedented detail. They're also using cutting-edge gene editing techniques like CRISPR to develop new treatments for genetic diseases. The Francis Crick Institute is a shining example of how collaboration and interdisciplinary research can lead to groundbreaking discoveries that have the potential to improve human health worldwide. Chapter 7. Get ready to dive deep into the world of genomics. We're heading back to the US, to Cambridge, Massachusetts, to visit the Broad Institute, a joint venture between MIT and Harvard University. This place is a powerhouse of genomic research with a mission to use the power of genomics to understand and treat disease. They're working on everything from mapping the human genome to developing new cancer therapies based on a person's unique genetic makeup. The Broad Institute played a pivotal role in the Human Genome Project, which mapped out the entire human genetic code, and they continue to make significant contributions to our understanding of human genetics and disease. They're also at the forefront of developing new technologies for gene editing and single-cell analysis, which are revolutionizing biomedical research. The Broad Institute is a shining example of how collaboration between academia and industry can lead to groundbreaking discoveries that have the potential to transform human health. Chapter 8. Get ready to blast off to Noordwijk, Netherlands, home to the European Space Research and Technology Centre, or ESTEC. This is where the European Space Agency, or ESA, designs, develops and tests its spacecraft, from satellites that monitor Earth's climate to probes that explore the far reaches of our solar system. ESTEC is like a mini NASA for Europe, and they're doing some incredible work. They're developing new technologies for space exploration, like ion propulsion, which uses beams of charged particles to propel spacecraft through the vast distances of space. They're also building the next generation of telescopes that will allow us to see farther into the universe than ever before. And they're working on missions to land on Mars and explore the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn. ESTEC is a testament to Europe's commitment to space exploration and their contributions to our understanding of the universe. Chapter 9. We're heading back to the US, this time to Bethesda, Maryland, to visit the National Institutes of Health, or NIH. This is the largest biomedical research agency in the world, and they're on a mission to improve human health through research. The NIH is like a giant umbrella organization that funds and conducts research on a wide range of diseases and conditions, from cancer to Alzheimer's to HIV/AIDS. They're working on developing new treatments, cures, and preventive measures for diseases that affect millions of people worldwide. The NIH is also a leader in training the next generation of scientists and physicians. and they play a vital role in educating the public about health and disease. Their work has led to countless breakthroughs in medicine, and they continue to be at the forefront of efforts to improve human health. Chapter 10. Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory Energy Solutions for a Changing World. Let's head back to California, to Berkeley, where we'll visit the Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory, or Berkeley Lab. This place is a hotbed of innovation in energy and environmental sciences, and they're working on some of the most pressing challenges facing our planet. They're developing new renewable energy technologies like solar panels that are more efficient and affordable, and they're working on ways to capture and store carbon dioxide from the atmosphere to combat climate change. Berkeley Lab is also home to some of the most powerful microscopes in the world, which they're using to study materials at the atomic level, leading to breakthroughs in fields like energy storage and electronics. Their work is helping to create a cleaner, more sustainable future for all. Chapter 11, Oak Ridge National Laboratory Nuclear Powerhouse with a Purpose. Get ready for a trip to Oak Ridge, Tennessee, home to the Oak Ridge National Laboratory, or ORNL. This place has a long and storied history, dating back to the Manhattan Project, where they played a key role in developing the atomic bomb. But today, ORNL is focused on using their expertise in nuclear science and engineering for peaceful purposes. They're working on developing new nuclear reactor designs that are safer, more efficient, and produce less waste. They're also researching ways to use nuclear science to address challenges in medicine, energy, and national security. ORNL is home to the world's fastest supercomputer, Summit, which they're using to tackle some of the most complex scientific problems, from climate change to drug discovery. Their work is helping to advance our understanding of the universe and develop solutions to some of the world's most pressing problems. In Chapter 12, Argonne National Laboratory, From Batteries to the Cosmos. Next stop, Argonne, Illinois, home to Argonne National Laboratory. This place is a hub for scientific discovery and technological innovation, and they're working on a wide range of projects, from developing next-generation batteries for electric vehicles to studying the origins of the universe. Argonne is home to the Advanced Photon Source, a massive synchrotron that produces incredibly bright X-rays that scientists can use to study materials at the atomic level. They're using this facility to develop new materials for everything from solar panels to aircraft engines. And they're also using it to study biological molecules, leading to breakthroughs in drug discovery and disease research. Argonne is also a leader in high-performance computing, and they're using their supercomputers to model complex systems like climate change and the human brain. Their work is helping to advance our understanding of the world around us and develop solutions to some of the biggest challenges facing humanity. Chapter 13, Fermi National Accelerator Laboratory, Smashing Particles, Unlocking Secrets. Hold on tight, because we're about to enter the realm of particle physics. We're heading to Batavia, Illinois, to visit Fermi National Accelerator Laboratory, or Fermilab. This place is home to some of the most powerful particle accelerators in the world, which they use to smash particles together at nearly the speed of light. Why do they do this? Well, by studying the debris from these collisions, scientists can learn about the fundamental building blocks of matter and the forces that govern the universe. Fermilab is home to the Tevatron, which was the world's most powerful particle accelerator until the Large Hadron Collider came online. They're also working on developing new technologies for particle accelerators, which will allow them to probe the universe in even greater detail. Fermilab is a place where the infinitely small and the infinitely large collide, and their work is helping to unlock the secrets of the cosmos. Chapter 14, Kavli Institute for the Physics and Mathematics of the Universe, where disciplines collide. Get ready for a journey to the intersection of physics and mathematics. We're heading to Kashiwa, Japan, to visit the Kavli Institute for the Physics and Mathematics of the Universe, or Kavli IPMU. This place is a melting pot of ideas where physicists, mathematicians, and astronomers from around the world come together to tackle some of the biggest questions in science. They're working on everything from understanding the origins of the universe to developing new theories of quantum gravity. Kavli IPMU is home to some of the world's leading experts in string theory, cosmology and particle physics, and they're using their combined expertise to push the boundaries of human knowledge. They're also developing new technologies for observing the universe, like telescopes that can detect gravitational waves, which are ripples in the fabric of space-time. Kavli IPMU is a testament to the power of interdisciplinary collaboration and the importance of pursuing knowledge for its own sake. Chapter 15, National Renewable Energy Laboratory, Powering the Future Sustainably. Our final stop takes us to Golden, Colorado, home to the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, or NREL. This place is leading the charge in developing clean, sustainable energy technologies that will power our world for generations to come. They're working on everything from improving the efficiency of solar panels and wind turbines to developing new ways to store energy from renewable sources. NREL is also a leader in bioenergy research, and they're working on developing new fuels and chemicals from plant materials. They're also working on ways to reduce energy consumption in buildings, transportation and industry. And they're developing new technologies for integrating renewable energy sources into the electric grid. NREL is a testament to the power of human ingenuity to solve even the most daunting challenges, and their work is helping to create a cleaner, more sustainable future for all. Outro, the future is looking up. From the depths of the subatomic world to the vast expanse of the cosmos, these high-rise research facilities represent the pinnacle of human ingenuity and our insatiable thirst for knowledge. They are beacons of hope, reminding us that even in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges, the human spirit of exploration and discovery continues to soar to new heights. As we've seen, these aren't just buildings, they're monuments to our collective pursuit of understanding the universe and our place within it. They are crucibles of innovation, where the impossible is made possible and the boundaries of human knowledge are constantly being pushed. So the next time you look up at a skyscraper, remember that it might just be a high-rise research lab where the future is being built, one experiment, one discovery at a time. Keep looking up, keep questioning, and keep exploring, because the universe is full of wonders waiting to be uncovered.